Welcome back to the Gadget Show. And now it's time to unbox a brand new gadget with Mr. Otis Dealey. What have you got here, big man?
Well, Mr. Craig Charles, I have a very sensitive instrument I've been waiting a long time to get my hands on. Any guesses?
Well, owing to my 30-odd years in and around the music business and the fact that it's got Fender written on it, I'm guessing it's a guitar.
A good guess. It's more than a guitar, my good man. It's a hybrid.
What, like petrol and an electric?
Very good. This can go from electric to acoustic at the flick of a switch. But first, regard the plush case.
Okay.
And then gaze upon the £2,999 Fender American Acoustasonic Telecaster.
It's a bit steep.
Just a little bit steep, but I think definitely worth the money. There's a lithium-ion battery in there, so it's rechargeable, gives you 20 hours of playback. There are 5 pairs of tones there, so you get 10 different sounds loaded into the guitar itself. Look at that. Fashioned in California, home of the Fender, and this is the exotic model.
Okay.
The standard model is £1,800.
That's a bit more affordable. But what we need is a highly trained virtuoso guitarist to show us what's what and put it through its paces.
Say no more, Craig. I've invited my mate Dan from Fender to come and demonstrate.
Oh, praise the Lord. Hey, Dan! OK, Dan, can you show us what this baby can do?
I sure can.
I'm very excited.
Yeah, it looks a lovely bit of kit.
Oh, yeah.
Be a nice Christmas present, that. Just saying.
Yeah, for someone who you truly love. Yeah.
All right, Dan, show us.
Right, so we'll start with some of the acoustic sounds.
OK.
So we have position 5 here, the first selection.
OK.
With the modification knob all the way off. We have the sound of a dreadnought guitar, so a big, classic acoustic guitar.
Yeah. I like 2 types of country. I like country and I like western.
Now, if you twist this knob here, you tighten the waist of the guitar. And you get the sound of a more modern sounding auditorium guitar. So you move anywhere from Taylor Swift to Johnny.
You like a bit of Taylor Swift, don't you?
No? Nice.
OK, so that is your acoustic settings.
Yep.
What's it like electric?
So, at the flick of a switch, you go to position 1 here, you get the sound of an electric guitar.
Wow, that is impressive. That's 2 guitars for the price of 1, really.
Yeah. Now, the party trick. All the way from electric, straight back to acoustic.
Brilliant. Hey, can you play a bit of Stevie? You can't beat a bit of Stevie.
For you, Craig, of course.
OK, well, thank you, Dan.